Hello everyone! Welcome to FlexClip. Get ready for a spooky and fun Halloween. Want to create an AI Halloween video like this? Today I'll show you the AI workflow, how to use ChatGPT and FlexClip AI to generate your Halloween video from scratch. No video ideas? No editing skills? No problem. Try FlexClip AI. Before opening FlexClip, let's ask ChatGPT to suggest 3 Halloween video styles. Then pick your favorite. Now, let's go to FlexClip's AI image generator. Here, you can generate images using popular AI models like Nano Banana, Dream 4.0, and more. Choose the style, ratio, and hit Generate. Look, our shy little ghost appears instantly. You can generate images in a variety of styles. Repeat this process to create images for all the key scenes in your video. Head to the AI video generator. Here, you can choose from the most popular AI models, including Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3.1, and Kling 2.5 Turbo. Now, let's select a model. Enter the video prompt, choose the video length, and simply click Generate. Repeat this process to create videos for each image. Look, our video is almost ready. The next step is edit the video. Here, we can add some Halloween elements to make the video look more festive. Next, choose the video effects and transitions to make the scene smoother and more dynamic. To make the video more immersive, we can use AI voice to add narration. Add fitting background music and sound effects. Now, let's take a look at the final video.
Beneath the neon lights, the sea hides its splendor.
But hold on, here are 3 more Halloween ideas you can try with FlexClip. Idea 1. Create your digital monster avatar with AI headshot generator. Idea 2. Warp your pets and friends with the image-to-image tool. Upload their photos and use AI to turn them into hilarious or spooky Halloween characters. Idea 3. Use ready-made Halloween templates. Just pick a video template, hit AI Recreate, and watch your Halloween video come to life. That's all for the tutorial. To power up your creation, we've prepared an exclusive gift. All you need to do is comment AI below. We're giving away a 3-month FlexClip Plus plan to 3 lucky followers from the comments. Please like and subscribe for more AI videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.